Okay guys, you can simply remaster your taken pictures or any pictures in your Samsung Galaxy S20 series, and I'm doing this on my Galaxy S25 Ultra. Just open gallery, then go to camera, then select any pictures. In this case I'm selecting this picture. Okay, you can see here the details. Simply just swipe up like this. Then as you can see, there is an option for remaster. Just tap on it. It will be take 5 to 6 seconds to remastering these pictures. Just add more sharpen and more bright colors to your pictures. Okay, you can see here our picture is upgraded. You can see the difference. Okay, I will show you. You can see here what's happening. See it guys. So this is one of the best feature in Samsung S25 Ultra. So that's guys. If you need more Samsung or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.